up guys, this is Sham from HSC Bros. As you can see, it's a beautiful weather today. So today we're going to go to the strawberry farm to pick some strawberries. So let's go. Okay, now we're in the car and September, October is like the best time to be in spring for some festivals. And it's also a time where most strawberries ripen. So then when we get there, we're going to be picking strawberries. Yeah, we're gonna go there now. See you there. Where are we going? Where are we gonna go?
Strawberry top.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the strawberry farm. And we'll eat the strawberries?
Yeah, green mountain top.
Yeah, do you like it? Oh, look at the screen. Say hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
My name is Taha.
My name is Taha.
We're going to the strawberry farm.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Strawberry farm.
Yeah, they'll say, I'm famous.
I'm famous.
Take the Steve Bros.
Bye.
Bye-bye. We'll see you. Since we're in spring, it's the best time to pick ripe strawberries. What the hell are we gonna pick today? Yeah, we're gonna go to the strawberry farm, pick some ripe strawberries. It's gonna be way yummy, right? To say, we'll just see you there later. Just a few more minutes. Bye-bye. We'll see you there.
Forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love.
We have our strawberry basket and we're ready to go. Let's start picking up some strawberries. Start from here. Get the red ones, okay?
Which one?
Red one, yes. Let's taste them. Taste test. Ah, they're covered in. No, that one's covered.
Oh, I got a clean one.
Me too. I have a big one.
Oh, you got a big one. Mama, get the big one.
You eat it.
That's
a very ripe one.
Mama, eat tiny one.
Mama. Shami's not.
Shami, daddy.
When you come here, guys, you should remember that you should wear some kind of sturdy shoes because the sand is pretty deep.
Well,
I'm just gonna get back to picking my strawberries.
Green one. Look, I got green one.
Show me.
Green one.
Amazing.
Oh yeah. This is more fun. This is as fun as it's not really fun now. It doesn't feel as fun.
Bee.
There's a honeybee. Honeybee. Wait, does the honeybee need nectar? Oh yes, there's flowers here. That's fine. I should have known. There's so much honeybees there. We're just gonna eat the strawberries for now. Our mom's just gonna pick up some strawberries, put in the basket on the way back.
Look at this one too, right? And big. Sweet.
Yum.
Do you like strawberries?
The best strawberries.
Zeni, you like strawberries?
It's also a good thing to pick up more red strawberries than green because the red ones are ripe and the green ones are not ripe really. And definitely not the white ones.
Look at this, that's blue.
What do you see?
Ellen, strawberry.
Should we go pick some more?
Yeah.
Which one should we go?
Red one.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by its tail. If it comes, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger. If it comes, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. So, I think we'll go in there. Eeny, meeny, moe.
No,
Catch a tiger by
if
its
we
tail.
didn't go in this one,
Let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe.
we're going. We're going to. Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you a strawberry.
This is not a poisonous one.
Yeah.
Well, the own them, Tommy. The own them,
Yeah, eat it.
Tommy.
Eat it.
No, the real one. Look at this.
This is the yummier one.
No,
There's so much red
on my flag. Oh, I want it. I'm going to find the bad one.
Oh, you want this one, red one? Or do you want tiny one? Okay. Oh, do you want this one?
Oh, yum.
Okay, wait. Baba, I asked Dad if he wanted and he said, yop, yop, yop. Let's eat these yummy strawberries.
Yeah. We're eating one. I'm strawberries. We're eating one. I'm strawberries.
We're gonna go pick some more. Be careful when you pick the strawberries because if you have your hands on your brother on your shirt, this is what would happen.
Baba, I am done in the strawberry. I am done.
Let's just go pick it. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. I was so excited when I saw that. Look how much Mama has.
Look what my mom found. It's a strawberry and it looks like two strawberries collided together. Do you think you know why this would happen? Comment down below if you think you know how this would happen. But we're just gonna get back to picking our strawberries.
Bye.
Was it so yucky? Is it so yummy?
Yeah.
Is it yucky? Yeah. What? Let's go eat some more strawberries.
Try me.
Stop. What?
Red. I eat that one. Look, that's so funny. Baba, that's so funny. That's so funny. That's super funny, right? More yucky.
Yucky? Is it yucky?
No.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Where are you going?
More yucky. More yucky. More yucky. Look, yellow strawberries. A yellow strawberry. No.
Good clap. Nope. I thought you did like this.
Couple. Let's go.
Boom chakalaka boom boom chakalaka boom boom chakalaka boom boom. Boom chakalaka boom boom. Boom boom.
Look at Mama's got. Look at Mama's got. Look at Mama's got.
Oh yeah.
Look at Mama's got.
Yeah. Do the dance.
Do the dance. Oh, honey bee. this.
Me too.
My kitty, let's go. Let's go. Butter. Super beat. Taha. Super beat. Super beat. Hi, coming.
Where you going?
This one.
A good source of vitamin C. We got our whole box full of vitamin C for $15. Not the worst deal I've ever had. And bye-bye. We'll see you in the next episode.